The global battery market is growing fast, driven by the rising consumer demand and need for clean energy. However, the rapid evolution of battery technology makes it hard for manufacturers to scale production to achieve business and sustainability goals. Building sustainable global operations requires an integrated solution for agile planning, effective collaboration, optimization, and flawless execution. The Virtual Twin experience uses 3D virtual models of products, facilities, and processes based on real-world data to enable efficient, risk-free planning. This convergence of the virtual and real worlds eliminates data silos and provides powerful decision support capabilities, allowing manufacturers to lower production costs, reduce scrap rate, create adaptable and scalable processes, and facilitate continuous improvement. Digital transformation to create resilient, optimized value networks is the key to battery cell manufacturing excellence. Take the first step with the Virtual Twin experience today.